Hello, my name is Bob Raskey. I'm a captain here at United in the 777, but I'm here actually as a big GA lover of aviation. I'm a certified flight instructor, and for many years I've just enjoyed instructing, teaching, and mentoring folks throughout the community. Recently, this past year, I was honored with great honor of being the 2023 FAA General Aviation CFI of the Year Award. And I like to do the things I do at EAA, Young Eagles, transitioning military pilots from military world to civilian world, all in that GA community, which makes a big difference. So my pitch here today is we have the annual General Aviation Awards coming up, which I was so honored by last year. And anybody out there who's a CFI, we want you to put in the application and apply. There's many hardworking CFIs that have great experience and are making a great difference. So I want to encourage you to put it in, apply. We need people to come in there, show forth their efforts of what they're doing, and reach out so that we can honor and recognize all those hardworking certified flight instructors who are making a great difference. I wouldn't be here today except for my original FAA CFI flight instructors. So there's the pitch, GA Awards, apply. Thank you, and have a good day.